Hello, it's Matthew. I'm giving. Wow. Hello everyone, I'm going to give you the up-close version of the plasti dip job that we literally did in the driveway. Alright, so the good of the plasti dip is mainly the rear of the car. You'll see like the fenders look really good.
No streaks.
No streaks, no nothing. Even the top where it was done looks good. The rear hatch looks real good. The bumper covered really well. See, it all looks good. But you see whenever you get gas on it, see it leaves like a little stain on it. We're just gonna merge the bad, the ugly, whatever you want to call it, all in one because it's either good or it's bad. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see that well, but there is streaks right here and it didn't cover as well, and like right here, like wherever we ripped the panels off, you can see right there. And then you can also see like little sunspots through it up on the rear passenger. On this side you can really see some of the streaks a little better from the can itself. We didn't buy the actual gun because this is the project car. This isn't something I want to put a whole lot of money into, like the outside. I'm planning on putting a lot of money into the engine and the powertrain part of it. Alright everyone, that was the good and the ugly on the plasti dip job. I honestly thought it was a pretty good job. It looked better than what it did before, because before it kind of looked kind of nasty, and I actually kind of liked the way the front turned out. Yeah, you can see streaks in it or whatever, but honestly, whenever you're walking up on it, you don't really tell. But anyway, thanks for checking it out, and see you next video.